Hey guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Tulsa Time. It's an absolute classic, great for beginners, just got 2 chords, pattern repeats the whole way through. We're going to be concentrating on the Eric Clapton version today, yeah. So cool, let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so just a reminder, we're doing the Eric Clapton version in this one. We only need 2 chords in this one. First chord is a G, that's 2nd string down from the top, fret 2, top string, fret 3, and bottom string, fret 3, and we're going to strum all the strings. That's a G. Next one is a D7, that's 2nd string up from the bottom, number 1, string above, fret 2, bottom string, fret 2, curl the fingers round and strum the bottom 4 strings. That is our 2nd chord. So yeah, it's literally just made up of them 2 chords. That's a G and a D7. So it's definitely worth practicing them first, just making sure that you can change between both chords relatively fluently, and then if you can do that, we're going to move on to the next bit. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Again, we just need that G and D7. If you're a little bit more advanced, or if you've checked out any other tutorials, you may have noticed that some people teach it as a blues shuffle, which is absolutely correct for the original, but if you watch this, trying to get a beginner to do that would be absolutely ridiculous, so I'm going to keep it super simple. Again, it's not exactly like the original, but it's a very simplified version that is very close. So again, I'm just simplifying this just so that absolute beginner guitar players can join in. Okay, so with that said, let's crack on. So we've got a G, and we're going to strum that 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D7 2 times, 1, 2. Then we're going to stay on that D7 for 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the G for 2. 1, 2. And it repeats that pattern throughout the entire song. It doesn't change, okay? So when you're going to, if you want to play along with the original track, wait for the vocal line to come in. So Eric Clapton version, he sings Oklahoma. Oklahoma, ba-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. So just come in on that, and it literally repeats that pattern throughout the entire song. So I'm just going to give you a quick blast on the chorus like that. So, living on Tulsa Time, living on Tulsa Time, gonna set my watch back to it, cause you know that I've been through it, living on Tulsa Time. And it literally just repeats that throughout the entire song in that order, and it doesn't change. Okay, so again, hope that's helped. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Tulsa Time by Eric Clapton. Again, it's been a super fun one for me to teach, nice and easy, just the 2 chords. If you found value in this lesson, as always, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.